We'll be designing our order form in this video. So I'm just going to install a plugin. Remember I told you that we're not going to be using the contact form 7 form. So we are going to install a plugin that is going to help us to get orders online. Now, this is how you do your pay on delivery, right? This is how you do your pay on delivery. They are supposed to come to, if where you are, like Nigeria or in Africa, for example, it is difficult to make people make payments online. And obviously, you're just starting, you're still new, they don't even know you, they don't have trust yet. So it's going to take you a while to let people trust you and begin to make payments online, right? So for now, you may want to be doing pay on delivery, cash on delivery, and all that. And to do that, all you have to do is just to bring them to your sales page. They are going to fill up an order form, place their order, then submit that order to you. You deliver that order to them and then collect your payment. Now, I'm going to walk you through how to do all of these things. It's going to walk you step by step on how to do all of the distribution and the delivery. We are going to map locations, how to offer nationwide free delivery. All right. I'm going to show you how to calculate your cost, all of that from beginning to end. So, but in this particular video, we're going to be creating our order form. To create your order form, we are going to go back to plugins. Then we are going to add new plugin. The name of the plugin is Fluent Form. So search Fluent Form here. This is the Fluent Form, customized contact form survey and all that. So you're going to install Fluent Form. So you also want to receive emails once your order is placed. Once you receive an order here, you want to receive an email of that order and then every detail about it. And also, if you have any message from WordPress, you want to receive it as an email. And this is what you're going to use to do that. Fluent SMTP for WP. All right. So hit on install to also install this plugin. Now it is fully installed, so we'll just come back to our plugins again, click on installed plugins so that we can activate them. All right. Make sure you enable auto update so that your plugins will be updating by itself. You don't have to come here and be seeing all these messages. Just enable auto update on them. All right. So we have to update. Let's go ahead and activate the Fluent form. We activate it. Great. That has been activated. And we also go ahead and activate the Fluent SMTP for our automated messages from WordPress. Great. So now you can see Fluent Form here. Look at this Fluent Form here. So you go ahead and click on Forms. This form is going to show you all the forms you have. If you don't have any form, let's click on Forms. Here you can see you don't have any forms here yet, right? So let me show you what, okay, the only default form we have is the subscription form. So let me show you how the form looks. So this is what we are trying to get. So let's click on this to take us to the form. This is what we are trying to get. So we need to get they need to select the package that they want. We are selling this thing for them for this amount. Then they also have to select the color that they need. They have to choose the available colors. Then they are going to put their full name here. They are going to put their phone number, and it is compulsory. As you can see, they are going to give us their WhatsApp number in case we cannot reach them on phone. We can text them on WhatsApp. We're going to collect their email, their delivery details, their address, and then any other message. Then you need to confirm that they are available to receive it within this number of days. Then if they are available, yes, this is also going to help you to know those who are serious customers, because if someone says no, I won't be available, it means there's no point contacting them. Definitely they may leave a message here anyway to a reason why they are not available. Maybe they traveled, or maybe they need it another time that's beyond this time, or they need it immediately or something. So they would write it here, but if they don't write it, then definitely the person is not serious. Okay, so let's go ahead and design this other form. So right here in our Fluent form, you're going to see that we have no form here. So I'm going to create a new form. I'm just going to hit on add new. Click on add new. It is going to ask you the kind of form. You have some templates that you can choose. If you're creating a conversational form, if you're creating any kind of, if you want to use a template, but I don't like using any of those, so I'm just going to create a blank form. So this form has already been created here, as you can see. So the first step is going to lead you through all what you're going to do. The first step is to come here on the blank and title your form, because you're going to have a lot of forms, so you need to know which one is which. All right. So you're going to name it. I think we want to sell the i60 smartwatch. Great. i60 smartwatch Ultra. Then rename. After renaming your form, the next thing is to edit your form. So here you want to start creating the form. The first thing we want to collect is the package that they want. So I'm just going to click here. So here you can select the particular one you want to use. So you see this particular one says select. So this is like a drop down. So that should be multi-choice. So I select this multi-choice. So you can have that drop down here. Once you click on it, it gives you this pane to be able to edit, right? So here, multi-choice. This is the name of this form. So we want to change this name of form to what? Choose package. So whatever change you're seeing here, you're going to be seeing it here, choose package. So name field, placeholder is what is just going to be there. So I'm just going to say select. Great. Then placeholder, what you want, so this is just for admin, you don't need that. So the placeholder is very important. Then the next thing you want to choose here is the package. Describe what the package is and make sure you tell them the price here so that they will know. They won't come to your inbox and be asking you how much again. So I'll write something like one set of ICT. One set of I60 smartwatch is equal to uh 45,000 plus free delivery. So the second option is going to be two sets, right? So the second option is going to be two sets. Here is going to be two sets. If they want two sets, the price is going to change to maybe 90,000. Great. So we've already calculated everything, both our shipping and everything here, but we're giving them for free shipping. So if you have a third package, you can just add and name the third package here. But we want just two packages. If you're buying one, if you're buying two, that's fine. So I'm going to remove this one. Then the next thing here, you make sure that they cannot select the two of them at the same time. You can only select one, maximum selection one. So if you select one set, it means you're selecting one set. Some people cannot select, so some people mistakenly select two and one together, so you become confused. Then you want to make it requirement compulsory, because they must be compulsory. You must have selected an item before you can submit this form. All right. So you click on save. So here you can see this is great. So the next thing we want to add is the color. Which color do you want? You click next to add that. Select which field do you want to use to do that. So maybe we can use a drop down. We'll add drop down. So the color you want is going to be a drop down. So here you can see select. So choose color. Then select is already here. Then next, I think I want to also use this one here. So I can just duplicate this one. Uh, I want to delete this one and duplicate this one. Click here to duplicate it. So here we are going to just copy the informations we have here. Choose package. I'm going to put it here. Choose package. Then this one has select. Select is already there. So the first option, I'm going to copy it, bring it here as my first option. The second option, I'm going to bring it here as my second option. Great. So we'll just delete this one. Yes, delete. So we now have this one select, and good. So we want to make it compulsory, and then that's amazing. So next, we want to ask them the color they want. So select color. Which color do you want? Black set, gold set. Then we'll add the third color, which is silver set. Remember that these colors are there in our what? In our home page, in our sales page. So these are the colors. They've seen the colors available. They see gold sets, they've seen silver set and blue black set. So when they come to the order form, they already making up their mind won't be an issue. Even before they get to this point, they already made up their mind on the color they want to select, and it is compulsory. Click this required, so that if they don't select color, they won't be able to move on. So the next, we want to collect their name. Here you add, so the name field, I'm just going to use this name field here. Click on name field. Then I'm just going to collect their full name. We don't want this second, we don't want this last name, just full name one, so that because it's not really necessary. So here you're going to write full name. Then you're going to remove last name. So we just need only their full name. Enter your first name. So here is going to be edit here to enter your full name. Great. Enter your full name. Everything here is not really required. It's not compulsory. No problem. You can make it compulsory if you want, but it is not. Without their name, the important things are the things we make compulsory. So next, we want to collect their phone number. So this is the phone number. If you select this phone number, it is paid. All right. It's a paid plan. You need to have a paid plan to be able to use it. So you need to upgrade to Pro. That's a challenge. But however, we are still going to maneuver, right? So we just come here. We're going to use the simple text to make the phone number. So this is the simple text. You're just going to here put here phone number. So here we have the phone number. Then the next thing is just the placeholder. Tell them to insert. Please enter your phone number. So it's going to tell them, please enter your phone number, and it is compulsory, of course. This is the only way you can reach them. Then alternatively, we also want to collect their WhatsApp number. Use the same method. Type here WhatsApp number. Please enter your WhatsApp number. Please enter your WhatsApp number. Great. Well, this may not be compulsory. Yeah, this may not be compulsory since we already have their phone number. So if their WhatsApp number is same as their phone number, they will just put their phone number and their phone number again in the both places. Then the next thing, we want to collect their email. Then come here, you have the email field. So click on the email field. Email address. Please fill up your email. So it is not required. Email. Email address. All right, great. So the next one, we want to collect their address. The address is going to be, there's an address field here. Just search for the address field. For the address, we're going to be using this address field. So it contains a lot though, but we don't need all of this. We just want to get their address. First, you want to get this address line. Well, you don't need these two: country code, zip code, except you want to correct. If you want to collect their country, if you're international, if you're selling internationally, then fine. But we are not doing that. We don't need a zip code. We may just be using these four. So the first one, you want to collect their state. You want to know their states, if they are in Lagos, if you're in Abuja. So you tell them which state. That's what you want to collect here. It is compulsory. You must put it. Then the next one, this address line 2, what you want to collect here is, open it. You want to collect their city. So you want to ask them, which city are you in? Because when they give you their state, if it's in Lagos, you want to know where in Lagos are you. So they will tell you their city is also compulsory. Then you also want to get their full address. So here you just say full address. Yes. Enter your address. Great. Then it is also compulsory. Then finally, you want to know their nearest landmark. Bus stop. They call it bus stop, yeah. So it is bus stop. You want to know their bus stop in case uh you want to go deliver yourself. You can just use this bus stop to trade. This is an easier way to to know their closest landmark. You can just nearest bus stop or your nearest landmark. Your nearest landmark. So this is great. We've collected their address here. Then the next thing you want to collect is I think we are done. We are done, nothing else. You just want to ask them if they will be available. So next day you just want to ask them if any other message, if they have any other message, maybe they want to tell you to combine this color for them or something like that. So you just want to click on the message field. So what we need here is to allow them type. So you use text area, select text area. Then this text area is what's going to allow them. So here you can see any other message. It is optional. Then here you want to just let them know it's optional. Then the placeholder, you just tell them leave any other instruction, leave instruction if any. So you tell them to leave any other instruction here if any. Then it is not compulsory, so you don't take it. Then finally you want to make sure that they will be available to receive this order. Then you click here and then choose this radio option, radio field. So in the radio field, you want to ask them, will you be available to receive this order in the next 1 to 2 days? So you want to ask them, will you be available to receive your order in the next 1 to 2 days from now? Right? Then yes, no, yes, I'll be available. Yes, then no. So the two options are yes, no, I won't be available. Yes, please deliver my order. No, I won't be available. So you have to make this compulsory so that you will know who is serious and who is not serious. So this is amazing. We have all our orders. So we have our order form. perfectly filled up. Look at here, we can come here, then the submit now button, you have to click on it to edit it. You can edit it whichever way you want. If you want to use an image, but that doesn't make sense. To submit form, you want to say submit my order. Great, submit my order, but we can make that uppercase. Great. So you want to make it as bold as possible. The button style, you want to make red, green, yellow. Of course, you want to make it orange because it's other. You can also make it green if you want. I think green makes a lot of sense. Then you want it to be large, make it large. Then bring it to the center. I like leaving it in the center. All right, good. So this is amazing. This is okay. This is very okay. You don't need any of these advanced options, okay? So don't bother about it. Your form is ready. You just hit on save. The form has been saved. Now you can preview. Let's preview the form and see how it looks. So this is the form. This is how it looks. They can select the package they want. They can select, okay, they can select the package they want. They can select the color they want. They will fill up their details. They can put their phone number here. They can put their WhatsApp number, their email, their address, leave a message, choose this option, and then click on submit. Great, this is amazing. This looks good. So let's complete the form. We've not really told the form what to do after submission. So to tell this form what to do after they submit it, you need to click on setting and integration. Setting and integration. All right. So when you come to setting and integration, where do you want this form to go to? That is the first thing. Confirmation setting. When they click on that submit button, you want them to go to a page. All right. If you want them to remain on the same page, it doesn't make sense. You need to lead them somewhere else. So you need to lead them to which page you want to lead them to. You select the page here. Of course, you want to take them to your thank you page. So you select one of the all the pages you have on your website to be listed here. So you want to send them to your thank you for ordering our watch page. Once they click on that button, it's going to lead them to this thank you page that we designed earlier. Look at it. It's going to bring them to this thank you page. From this thank you page now, they will click on this confirm order now to come to your WhatsApp. So you see how the thing is. So you're going to lead them from Facebook or from wherever you're running your ads to your sales page. After they place the order on your sales page, it's going to bring them to this thank you page. From this thank you page, it's going to take them to your WhatsApp. So this actually helps you to filter out unserious people. So at a time, over 100 persons can be on your website going through your content here. Now, out of that 100, few the people that may be interested may be a lot, maybe 80 or 90 people that are interested. But people that actually have the money to buy may not be up to 30 or 20. Even those people that have the money, people that may not be available to receive it or for one reason or the other may not be able to get it now, will be so many. So at the end of the day, out of the 100, only 5% or 10% will be able to buy. So it is only those successful 10% or 5% that place order that will come to your WhatsApp. Can you imagine that? So this website actually helps you to filter all of those 100 people. Imagine if you were running this ad to your WhatsApp directly. All those 100 will come to your WhatsApp and you attend to all of them. That is going to be so tiring, right? And then at the end of the day, a lot of them will not buy. And guess what? Facebook is going to be charging you for that 100 people because they will count them as messages, people that contacted you. They don't care if those people bought or not. Their job is just to send those people to you and they will charge you. So, but now, at the end of the day, these people now, it is only those people that successfully pass through your website, pass through the thank you page, and click on this link that Facebook is going to charge you for. So even if 100 people comes to this website without buying, Facebook will not charge you for them because Facebook have not seen them. The only time Facebook sees them is only when they click on this button. That is when it becomes a sale. a purchase, and they will charge you for a purchase. All right, this is amazing, this is really smart. So our form is ready. Now let's send them to our thank you page. We've selected the thank you page. Then the next question, redirection message. While that submission button is loading, do you want them to see any message? It doesn't really, you can leave this place blank, but if you want, um please confirm your order in the next page, something like that. Just say, so you can just say something like this. While that submit button is loading, they will see this message. Please hold on to confirm your order. And then that is all. That's really nothing. Don't touch anything here. Everything here is okay the way it is. Then the next thing is just to come to form layout. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. Schedule maximum number of entries. So if you want them to submit only once in a day, you now set it up here. If you want them to submit, someone that has submitted cannot submit again. This will help you to restrict multiple entries, okay? But I don't think don't worry about that. Then advanced form validation, you don't need all of these, don't need all of these, just leave it the way it is. Then go to email notification. Click on email notification. So you need to enable email notification so that once an order is placed on your website, you are going to receive that email. So you just come here, add notification. So notification, what is going to be the name of the email? New order. New order. This is what's going to be the name of the email. So send to which email? Send to field, enter email. So you put the email address here that you want to receive the email here. You put that email here. Probably it should be your email. Then the subject of the email, maybe new order for i60 smartwatch. So new order for i60 smartwatch. The email body, this email body, now you need to put a short code. Now here you just click on this short code. Then you want what should be on the email. You want the full is it only the name? Should it come with the package, those selection of the form? Or do you want, I think you just want the entire email. All right. So all data, choose this all data so that it will bring everything. If you choose only phone number, it will send only the person's phone number, but you want to receive the complete form. So you click on all data, and that's all. Now everything here is okay. So everything here is fine, nothing else to change. You've configured the email, so you're going to receive email for every order that comes to your site. And then conditional confirmation, all of these ones are not necessary, just leave them the way they are, and then click on save notification. Great, this has been saved. All right, so here you're going to receive order. You can actually edit it anytime you want and all that. So entries, now when you begin to get orders, you're going to be seeing your entries here, each order that comes in. But now we don't have any orders yet, so we don't have any entries yet. All right, so your orders, come back to edit. So now we need to put this together. We need to put this together into our order form. So what we need to do is just to copy this short code here, click on it, it is copied. Then you go back to your home page, come down to your order form. This is where you put the order form. So look at the order form here. You just click on this short code. The short code is also an element here. Just come here and search for short code. You can see the short code. You just lift it and put it here. All right. So you have it here. You can put whatever you want to put. But we already have short code here. So I'm just going to use this one. So I'll delete whatever is here already and paste the one we just copied. And look at it. It has appeared here so beautifully. So I am just going to click on apply. So make sure you click on apply to apply that form here. Then click on publish to publish it. So make sure it is saved on your website. So let's see what this looks like in a mobile, because most of our buyers are going to come from mobile. So when they come to our page, this is what it looks like. This is amazing. Now they are convinced they want to buy. Then they come to this place. This is the form. So they can now fill this form on our website, put their information here, choose the package they want. They can choose the color they want. They can fill up the information. When they hit on this submit button, it's going to bring them to our thank you page where they can now click on this land on our WhatsApp. All right, this is cool. This is amazing. So there's one more thing I want to show you before we go. So this button, you want when they click on this button, it will bring them to this page, this page, order now. So I'll just click on this place. I'll come to CSS, go to CSS ID. So just type anything here, maybe I60 order, whatever you type here, just copy it. Copy. I've copied it. Then come to any of this button, click on this button. See, click here. This is it. Click on this button, remove whatever is there, leave this hashtag. All right, then paste that thing you copied, paste that. So when they click here, it is going to direct lead them to this other form. All right, so you do the same thing for this other one, the two buttons here. So that click here, then come here and paste that thing you copied. So you're just redirecting them. This is like navigation. You're navigating them inside the website. They're not going to leave this website. When they click on this button, it's going to lead them straight to this other form to start filling the order. This is good. So we now have everything complete. So we can send traffic to our sales page. They will place orders on our page and then land on our thank you page and eventually land into our WhatsApp for confirmation. This is good. This is good. So we are going to try that now with our phone. Have the website and see how it works. So we land on the website. If we are customers from Facebook, wow, okay. This watch has 2 watches. Wow, this beautiful lady. Wow, the watch is beautiful. You can even customize images. The price is 45k. Okay. I can even watch some videos of the watch. Okay. Here are some more pictures of this watch. This is nice. I love it. Oh, these are the colors. They have gold, they have silver, they have black. Okay, wow. I think I like. Oh, they sold so many today. Okay. These are testimonies. Wow, I love this watch. Let me order it. Okay, this is the order form. Let's fill it. I want one set. I want it to be gold. My name is Chris. Okay. My phone number is this. It is same as my WhatsApp number. Then my email. Oh, email is not compulsory, it's optional. Fine. So I'm in Abuja. I'm in Wuse. That's my city. Then the full address is number 2 Masabai Street in Wuse. Oh, my dearest, my closest landmark, the bus stop is Glow. They call it Glow bus stop after Banex. Any other message? How soon can I get it? Good. So yes, of course, I'll be available. Then submit. Yes, submit my order. Okay. It's leading me somewhere. Okay, let me see. Oh, wow. Thank you, page. Oh, thank you for your order. Okay, congratulations, your order has been placed successfully. Oh, wow, this beautiful lady is smiling. Okay, so great. This is amazing. So now have our order is almost complete. So what we need to do is just to, so let me refresh this page. I think something is missing. Okay, our order is almost filled up. Good. So this lady is telling me to click on this button to confirm your order. But meanwhile, I can go here. Wow. I can see other products in the website. Let me see other products that they have. Let me click here to see other products that they have. This is good. This is good. So if I come here, I can see that they have other nice products. Wow. They have all these other nice products. Okay. Oh, they even have health products. Okay, let me go back to my order form. This is my order form. Okay. Let me confirm my order. I'll click here. It will now take me to the person's WhatsApp. Hello, I want to confirm my order. Okay. So if I just click on this message, it will now take me to the person's inbox with this message.